Meaning of God.
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 God. God is a slang term that is used as an alternate spelling of God, typically to express surprise or frustration. It is commonly used in informal conversations, online chats, and social media posts. The term is often pronounced with emphasis on the, in a similar way to "oh my God." Despite its informal nature, the use of God can be seen as disrespectful by some individuals due to its altered spelling of a religious term. Overall, God serves as an informal expression of surprise or annoyance commonly used in casual conversations.